This is how to find your Binance ID. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to find your Binance Pay ID. I'll be using Binance app, and you will also know how to do the same using Binance website. You will launch your Binance from your phone. You launch Binance. You can see my Binance app, and currently I'm on asset menu here. And these are the current assets I have. To get your Binance Pay ID, you click Home. For you to find your Binance ID, you come to this place. You tap this place. You can see this is Binance ID, which is your Binance User ID. That is your Binance unique numerical identifier. And you can use it to perform the following functions. All you need to do is to click to copy. You can see Binance ID copied. You can then use it to receive and send cryptos on Binance platform. This is how to find your Binance ID on Binance website. To do that, you first log on to Binance with your detail. As soon as you get to your page, you click this, your profile picture. This is your profile picture. You come down to click dashboard. You can see this UID. This string of numbers is your Binance ID. That is your Binance unique numerical identifier, and it is your Binance Pay ID that you can use to make payment and you can use to receive payment on Binance platform. It is uniquely identified with you on Binance. So you now know how to find your Binance User ID for both Binance app and Binance website. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video so that you'll be able to get such tutorial every week. Thank you.